Hello again everyone. This is just a quick intro to a new rifle that I've recently got, and a bit of footage of me ammo testing the rifle a bit later on in the video. So as you can see, it's a Lithgow Arms 101. That's a Panther Wildcat moderator I've put on the end. The bolt's not in it at the moment. I've left it in the car because I'm just packing up and getting ready to go home. But it's got this lovely laminate stock, as you can see, and this one is chambered in 17 HMR, so a pretty awesome little round that I'll be using mainly for rabbiting, I guess. I have already been out and got some footage, which I'll be doing a video of shortly, hopefully, night time. And then you can see on the end of the scope there, that's an Aztec Emerald 5-25 scope. I have got the Eagle Vision attachment for my Par 007 on the back there that I've done a bit of night rabbiting on. So today I'm literally just leaning off this drum there, and I'm shooting 100-105 yards down the edge of those trees there. But I'm testing some new ammo, the Hornaday 17 grain there. That's it there. So originally I sighted it in with some Winchester 17 VMAX, which was all I could buy. And then I managed to grab a few boxes of this, because as is everywhere, it's really difficult to get hold of. So this red building brick is at 105 yards, and then a bit later on you'll see me shooting a concrete tile as well, which is at 100 yards. So basically this is just rechecking my zero with this new ammo, and it was a very breezy day, as you can see on the floor there. But I'll leave you just to look at me enjoying the rifle and taking some shots at 100 yards, 105 yards. So this is the concrete tile, and that's just in front of that red brick at 100 yards. So that's the scope fully zoomed in at ×25. It's a first focal plane scope, of course, as you can see, and that's at 100 yards. Now this 17 HMR round is absolutely awesome. I know all you bigger cartridge centerfire guys out there that I'm wildly jealous of think I'm bonkers, but for me this little 17 HMR, the power it produces for that tiny little round is absolutely awesome. And for the vermin control that I do, mainly rabbits, maybe crows, pigeons, it's absolutely awesome and devastating round. Absolutely brilliant. So keep a lookout for more videos on this rifle. I have been out with the Par 007 on the end of this scope and done a little bit of night rabbiting. So I've got some rabbit shots to edit and put on. So keep a lookout for that, and hopefully they'll be on soon.